Samsung fans and tech aficionados across the globe have been waiting for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to be unveiled, and latest sources indicate that the wait may be ended sooner than expected. While the flagship foldable phone was supposed to be released in August, recent evidence reveals that it might be released much sooner. Google revealed the long-awaited Pixel Fold yesterday, adding to the slew of foldable phones that are due this year. We've also just received some official renderings of Samsung's own Galaxy Z Fold 5, showcasing the phone from all sides and maybe giving weight to the claim that Samsung may wind up launching the foldable phone earlier this year, in order to compete with Google's product on time. These renderings are courtesy of leaks in cooperation with Smart Pre, which means this is likely the closest we'll get to seeing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 before Samsung officially reveals it. Except for the possibility of an early hands-on with the device, which is not unusual with undisclosed Samsung devices, let's dig into the design and everything else we can anticipate from the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's long been speculated that Samsung would finally repair the hinge on the Galaxy Z Fold series this year, allowing the phone to fold fully flat with no gaps. This will keep microscopic particles like dust and dirt from penetrating the primary display surface when the device is in your pocket, reducing overall weight and making the device look substantially slimmer. This is visible in this image, which juxtaposes a prototype of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The new devices are significantly thinner and more aesthetically pleasing, and the new hinge will almost eliminate that annoying crease in the middle of the display. The overall thickness of the upcoming foldable device has been reduced to 13.4 mm when folded, as opposed to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which measured between 14.2 mm and 15.8 mm due to the hinge gap. Samsung will employ the new droplet hinge design, which is comparable to Oppo's second-generation flexion hinge, which is featured on the Find N2. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have the same 6.2-inch outside display and 7.6-inch inside screen. Other characteristics include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU for the Galaxy, which is expected to come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. For the time being, camera specifications are sketchy. However, one rumor suggests that a 50-megapixel primary sensor will be joined by 12 and 10-megapixel units. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.